Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am testing out a new product today. This is by Flower. It's called DB, Daily Brighten. It says under eye cover cream. So when it says an under eye cover cream, that actually means that it is a concealer. Okay, this is by Drew Barrymore. If you guys don't know who makes Flower, I got the color DB3. This is normally $8.98 at Walmart. It is a high coverage fast setting concealer. You guys can see it right there. It is very unique. It does have a ball tip concealer point, so it will roll. It's a roller for under the eyes. Now, do we like this? I don't know. I do like the fact that it says fast setting, because a lot of times when something is fast setting for a concealer, it doesn't give it time to settle into the wrinkles. Now let's go ahead and see whether we like this or not. I'm going to zoom you guys a little bit closer to my face, and we're going to see if we like the coverage or not. So, but before we get to that, those zoomed closer clips, please hit that thumbs up button and the little subscribe button, the tiny little bell next to it. Let's go ahead and get to that video. Okay guys, so since it says it's high coverage and fast setting, I do have my beauty blender ready here. It is already damp. Let's go ahead and open this up. It does have this type of a ball applicator. Let's go ahead and swirl it around. Shake it up a little bit actually. And then swirl it around and see if anything comes out. Okay, so it comes out sporadically, it looks like. This is really weird looking, honestly. Maybe it needs to warm up, roll it around a little bit. Yeah, you do need to roll it around, roll it around. So let's go ahead and try it under the eye. Oh, this ball feels so freaking nice under the eye. It is like so nice, super cold. Wow. Okay, let's go ahead and get this and bounce it and see what it looks like. Not really impressed with that. Let me roll it around a little bit more in my hand. See if we can get some to come out more evenly. Okay, let's try it again. Oh yeah. So it's like you need to loosen up that ball. And then go ahead and pat this all through. Guys, this looks really, really pretty under the eye. Look at that. But it says that it's full coverage, or it says that it is high coverage, and I don't consider this high coverage because you can see all of my beauty marks, my freckles here, through the actual concealer. Shake it downward. Now let's see. Okay, there we go. Oh wow. Oh wow, guys. And maybe I was doing it wrong the whole time. I think that this is so pretty. I mean, what do you guys think? I think this is absolutely so pretty. I do absolutely love this ball, but at the same time, I hate it because you do have to swing it down for the product to get at the tip. Let's see if it actually comes out on my nose. So you guys can see when I say it's sporadic, how it like sporadically went on like that. There's not like one straight line. I'm a little frustrated getting the product out. So if you have a little bit more time to swing it down like this, roll it on, swing it down, roll it on, then I think this is a great product. Now, will it last all day? I don't know. I'm going to have to check in later with you guys and tell you what it looks like. Did it rub off? Did it crease? I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and set it real quick. I'm going to put a little bit extra, and then I'm going to go ahead and set it and let you guys know. So I will see you in a little bit after I finish up my makeup. Okay, guys, so I finished up my makeup, but I did notice that it didn't go into my creases. It's more like on top of my skin, almost like it didn't fill it in. So I'm gonna just try this on top of my makeup. Mind you, I already set it with powder, so hopefully it doesn't screw it up anymore. I'm just gonna go ahead and touch a little bit in this area and see if I can actually get it to be a little bit more flat on the skin. A little bit more flat. I don't know if that made sense. I'm gonna get it to fill in the area that I didn't get it to fill in. Oh yeah, that much better. You guys can see how the line, I had those lines, these lines right here on this side, and how they got filled in and went away. I think that's great. Now let's go ahead and get to those check-ins and see, does it come back up? Does it last all day? I don't know. Let's go ahead and find out. I will see you guys in Okay guys, so this is 3 hours later. We're at the Link Hotel and Casino, and when I got really, really close, I don't know, the lighting sucks right here. It makes my under eyes look dark, but it looks absolutely fantastic. I'm gonna take another video in the car right now and show you guys in the daylight. This is 3 hours later. You guys can see it looks fantastic still. Alejandro wants to say hi. Say hi, Alejandro.
Hola, konnichiwa.
Anyways, it is 3 hours later. You guys can see my under eyes. They look fabulous. We are trying to exit the parking garage, and so we are stuck in traffic. So I thought I would turn it on and show you how fabulous it still looks. Okay, guys, so this is about 4 or 5 hours later, and if I get really, really close, guys, you can see this. Like, those are the lines under my eyes. Look how they're emphasized so much, right? It's because the foundation rose up, and it almost like came out of the lines and pushed up above the skin because there is no foundation in those lines. It almost like it rubbed off between the lines and you can't see it, so it emphasized it more. I'm gonna give this concealer a thumbs down, even though I really did like the cooling roller on the concealer, but no. I noticed this shortly after we left the parking garage, and I noticed it very much now, and it's only about 4 hours later, about a little bit over 4 hours later. So I'm gonna give this concealer a thumbs down, unfortunately. But if you did like this video, I'm like really super shiny. If you did like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Hit that little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.